Hello guys, this is your boy, the one and only, the notorious Nas Abe. So as we know, today it's ECB interest rates, understand? So let's just do a quick analysis together and see what we can expect today at 3. Because the news are going to be released at 15:15, understand? So let's see uh, what technical analysis currently shows us. Because I didn't check the fundamental side, understand? I like checking the technical side first because I like technical analysis, understand? With technical analysis, you won't go wrong most of the times, understand? Because reading news, and sometimes you'll see that, okay, there'll be bad news, but then the market doesn't spike down, continue going up, understand? So that's why I like technical analysis. Technical analysis combined with news, you are a money making machine, my man. Understand? So let's just do analysis together and see what we could expect here. And as we know, understand, we first identify our strong zones. Understand? We first have to identify our strong zones. And I only do that on my weekly time frame. Understand? I know that, okay, the weekly zones, the weekly turning points, those are like the powerful zones, understand, that the market might react to, understand. So those who don't know, our zones are identified on the weekly time frame on the line chart. Then afterwards, we can go to our smaller time frames to get our trends, our patterns, and what, understand? Currently, what we see is that Euro GBP is approaching our zone there, understand? So if it might give us if it might give us a reversal candlesticks on that zone, we know that, okay, all the euro pairs will be selling at 15, understand? So let's just dive deeper with our analysis, because if it touches that zone, yeah, we are expecting sales, but there's still possibility that on that zone, the market is not giving us a proper confirmation that it's going to drop. So if it does that, if it doesn't give us proper confirmation that it's going to sell, we're not taking those trades, understand? We need confirmation first. We don't just once it touches the zone, now you know that, okay, it's going to sell now, understand? We have to first wait for it to give us proper confirmations, understand, so that we can execute our trades. And what I see here is that when you check here, we had a strong resistance zone that was once broken, came back to retest on that zone. Now it's approaching our weekly zone, understand? Now it's approaching our weekly zone. So if let's take there on our weekly zones there, and we get our confirmation candlestick. By the confirmation candlestick, I mean the reversal candlesticks, understand? If we get our reversal candlesticks there on that zone, we know that, okay, Euro GBP at 15.15 is going to drop, understand? Because we'll be having those candlesticks, those... because we'll be having those confirmation candlesticks on our zone, understand? But I'm not saying it's going to sell, guys. There's still a possibility that this market buys. You know why? Because we see that, okay, the market was on the market currently has bullish momentum because of that resistance zone that was respected. And so there's still a possibility that it doesn't, when it reaches that zone there, our weekly zone there, it doesn't give us confirmation, get that it breaks that zone. Wait. I want to give me a few minutes, guys. I want to, what is this thing doing now? Okay, sorry for that, guys. Okay, get that on that zone, and it doesn't really give us confirmation candlestick, but get that maybe it breaks that zone, understand? So once it breaks that zone, we'll be expecting buys, understand? We'll be expecting buys. Let's take maybe a retest to that zone. If it retest gives us those confirmation candlesticks, then we know that, okay, Euro GBP at 15.15 is gonna buy, understand? So those are the two things that we must expect, understand? Those are the two things that you must expect, for it to break that zone and retest so that we can execute buys. Even if it doesn't retest, let's take it breaks that weekly zone, and the candlestick closes above that zone, that weekly zone. Understand? For unlimited, yeah. Sorry for that again. Hey guys, I have network problems. This load shedding is fucking me up. Understand? So, so by the way, like if it the let's take a candlestick breaks that weekly zone and closes above the the weekly zone, understand? Will be a buy confirmation again, understand? So those are the two things that we should expect now. Like, let's just wait for the market and see what the market really gives us. So at 3, let's sanitize this thing, understand? So that's my analysis currently. So that those two setups that I just show you, understand? Those are the setups that we should like watch out for, understand? Those are the setups that we must watch out for. And when I check here, it's giving us like another resistance zone there that's being turned into support, understand? So why is this thing? I'm trying to change the color here, but it's not showing me how to change the color. But no problem. You see that like it's giving us, so I think it's gonna break that zone, guys. Currently, what the market is doing, and it's showing us like that there's really bullish momentum in the market. Understand? So there's a possibility that it breaks that zone. So these are the two setups that we're expecting. Only what we need now is confirmation. Understand? Confirmation. Only what we need is confirmation to kill these fundamentals. And by the way, I'll be dropping the signal in my free signal group. So if you want to trade if you don't know how, like let's say you analyzed and you are confused, and you can join my free signal group. I'll be dropping the signal there. We can kill it together, understand? By the way, I'm out, guys. That's my analysis, by the way. I'm out. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, comment, whatever. Understand? Sure.